Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about errors. Like in life, we know errors is like something common. Everyone makes errors. It is okay to make errors, but how do we correct those errors? This is why Excel is here to at least help us correct those small errors that we have, especially when it comes to math calculations, all these calculations that are in the Excel, in the worksheet, those ones that come out after you making a very little mistake. So what do we go about them? Before I continue, let's search more about the errors. What are these errors that they stab us? They are simple errors. So in these errors, we have a lot of errors. Like for example, there is this: you can't divide a number by zero. Like when you're dividing a number by zero, so here I'm going to search for some of the errors and how we can correct those errors, like using ChatGPT, as it has made lives kind of simple nowadays. So my piece is slow. Yeah, here I'm going to look for Chat GPT that is there. I will search for it. Then here I'm going to search for in ChatGPT. I'm going to ask the common the common the common errors in Excel and how to solve or fix to solve this, to correct them. How to correct them, I think it's the best. How to correct them. So I'm going to search for the common errors. Like you can see, it is broad common errors. These are the common errors. Like we have this. This means when you're dividing it by zero, then this formula. This one means that it occurs when the formula or function cannot find a value it is looking for. Then this one for the name, it occurs when the Excel does not recognize the name that you have put inside there. So it's this one is so common. Then also the null. This one for the null, it's for incorrect range, like when the range you're using is incorrect. So how do you correct it? Like when you're using space instead of comma, you make sure you go back and put the space. That is how you correct it. Then this one of the number. This one is invalid number. This one here. This one is for invalid number. Like it occurs when there is a problem with a number in the formula, when there is a problem with the number in the formula. So that's when it occurs, and invalid adjustments. So this one of ref is when there's invalid ref. You've entered an invalid ref. So the only thing you should do is check the missing formula, or you can undo the ref and you change. Then this one of the value, which means it occurs when a formula, this one here occurs when a formula contains wrong type of data, e.g. text when number is expected. So there are actually very many errors that you can search for in all these, and how you can correct those errors. So like when you come to your spreadsheet, you can create another one and demo how these errors can be like this. Then in this spreadsheet like this spreadsheet, like take for instance, we are talking about when dividing any number by zero gives you that hashtag hash div zero. Like here, if in this cell I have like 90, then I divide it by zero, what does it give me? Like this number. All right, it's equal to, maybe we say 90 divided by 0. That is it. It comes up this is an error. It means that you can't divide any number by 0, which means that is also one of the error. Then this one of the name, like it cannot recognize it. It occurs when the Excel does not recognize the name that you have given. Like for instance, I come in to do this. Instead of putting Sam, I put Sun, then I enter. It brings that the name isn't correct. That is it also. Then this one of null, incorrect range, like instead of using a space or comma, like instead of using a comma, you use a space, a space, it will bring the null. Then this one of the value, invalid data type, like when it contains wrong data type, it will bring that one. So thank you so much for going through errors with me. I hope we can learn how to correct the errors that is disturbing us on when it comes to Excel. Yeah, I think that is it. And you can Google more about it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because a lot is yet to come. Thanks so much. May God bless you.